everyone's doing well. It's John here. I'm going to do another quick shave. Hope everyone's doing well. You know, a little tip. I usually soak a warm towel in my sink water just to soften my whiskers up a little before I start my shave. And then I'll fold that towel into thirds on my countertop, and I use that to wipe my blade off when I'm using a straight razor. It just helps a lot with the video, so you don't end up running your water while you're doing your video, so it kind of makes it nice and quiet. Just a thought. Talking about razors, my razor today is going to be my Gold Dollar Shave Club 2017 razor that I just got in recently and I honed up. It's called, we called it the Gold Dollar Sheffield because of the shape. It's shaped just like a Sheffield. It's a nice razor. It's probably full hollow, so very nice. And the bowl that I'm going to be using today, I got for Christmas. It's a fantastic, look at this bowl. It's beautiful, huh? And this is the Artisan Soap Shop. That's who makes this. And it's a beautiful lather bowl. And of course my soap today, I'm going to be using my SMG's Ragnarok, which is a clone of Creed Viking perfume, which is just fantastic. I'll be matching it up with the Aftershave, which if you notice, I'm going to be selling in the glass flasks. So I have updated my stuff. So anyway, let me put some of this soap on my face. And I like to use the Bloom water as a pre-shave, like you guys all know how I like to do that, instead of using an oil. And then I'll dump out the remainder. Let me just wipe my hands off. So my brush today, which I have had soaking, is this beautiful custom Leo Frilot. It's a Chubby 3 replica handle with a 26mm 2-band finest. And I've replaced my plastic tubs with all my new soaps that are going to be coming out. They're going to have these kind of like the ones Barrister and Mann uses. So I'm loading my brush up. And these are big, dense knots, so they hold a lot of soap. So we'll go with what's in there now. Let me just set this down. I've got about 3 or so days growth. I'm going to be heading out this afternoon with my family to go to the movies. Wow. Nice. The scent is very nice. The scent of this soap is bergamot, lemon, pink pepper, rose, peppermint, sandalwood, vetiver, patchouli, lavender absolute. So it's very, very, very close to the actual cologne as far as the scent wise. It smells very much like it. So I think everybody will enjoy it. I'm going to be making limited amounts, so I don't have 200 tubs. You know, there's quite a few of these guys that make lots and lots of soap, and they have plenty of, you know, plenty of backing to be able to do that, like Barrister and Mann and PA and all these other soaps that, you know, they can make a lot and just keep them on hand. Unfortunately for me, I'm just a guy making it in my kitchen, so I have to make 10, 15 at a time. I don't make a lot of soaps at once. Same with the aftershaves. So let's do this. This razor is very nice. Wow. Just beautiful, just beautiful. So a little history behind this razor while I'm shaving is the Gold Dollar Shave Club on Facebook. The admins of that group, very nice guys, decided they were going to work with the vendor that supplies gold dollars in the United States and England, I guess, and set up a group buy. So they were able to get us these razors for very, very inexpensively. Always remember to stretch your skin when you're shaving. It definitely will help as far as getting your shave on, you know. Very nice. My soap is very nice and slick, primarily because I'm a straight razor shaver. Most of my soaps come out nice and slick, but there is a good amount of cushion too. I don't think I've had too many people that didn't enjoy shaving with my soap. And to be honest, I have a little rule, and I know a lot of guys like to change up stuff all the time, but volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, 3.0, 3.2, I prefer to have, I know that this soap works, it doesn't burn you, the shave is nice, so that's what I'm sticking with. I'm sticking with the product that works. I don't need to go and start making tallow-based soaps and duck fat soaps. I'll leave that to the other vendors that do that stuff. Just absolutely beautiful edge. I mean, once you get this honed right, it just shaves great. Very nice. Sounds like my TV is on again. Somebody must have gotten home. This I'm going to do, I did against the grain on my neck for a nice smooth shave. Beautiful. And now I'll go across the grain on my cheeks. Beautiful. And I'm wiping my razor off on my towel that I folded in thirds on my countertop so that I don't have to keep running the water. Just a tip, it's an important one actually, that most guys that are shaving don't do. Just beautiful. What a great two-pass shave. I've got accustomed to now doing two-pass shaves. I don't feel the need to do a three-pass shave. I shave often enough where two passes will last me a few days and then move on to the next one. Those guys that shave, that have very heavy beards, that need a three-pass shave, go for it. I totally understand. So I'm going to just let you see what I used again. This is just a beautiful razor. It's a gold dollar. It's got etching on it that says Gold Dollar Shave Club 2017. And it's a full, it looks like an 8/8, it might even be bigger than that, a Sheffield style. And it's got a beautiful wooden scales. It's very nice for the amount of money that we paid for these. So thank you to the Gold Dollar Shave Club for putting that together. My soap, of course, fantastic. Honestly, it's a very good soap. The formula is vegan. Again, the scent profile is bergamot, lemon, pink pepper, rose, peppermint, sandalwood, vetiver, patchouli, and lavender absolute. My soaps are getting so complex now that I almost can't remember what I put in them. They're getting very complex. It's a beautiful container. It's the black cover with the low profile 4-inch label on there. It's beautiful, and it's called Ragnarok, which is end of days for Thor and the Vikings. And because of that, I used, this is a clone of Creed Viking, which is a very nice scented cologne. If you guys have tried it, if not, try to look and see if you can get some. It's fantastic. And then I'm going to be matching it up with the Aftershave Splash. Remember to always shake it. And I'm using the new glass flasks, so you guys are going to like that. Very nice. Remember, because I'm small as far as my business, my aftershaves are still just made from non-alcoholic, but they have vitamin E and witch hazel. They're they feel great on your face. It's excellent. I even like to use on my elbows to kind of soften my elbows up a little bit. You know, the women don't like the elbows all rough, so I use the aftershave on that. But, and then of course my brush, beautiful Leo Frilot made this for me, and it's a Chubby 3 replica handle with a 26mm 2-band finest in it. And check this out. So I told you that this brush held a lot of soap. I mean, look at, I only did 2 passes, so I still have a lot left, but very nice, cushiony. It's, I would absolutely be okay saying that it's a little more slick than it is cushiony, and the reason for that is that I made it so that it would work best for everybody. I personally think that a soap needs to be more slick than cushiony. Cushion is very good, but it only goes so far. You need that slickness for your razor blade to glide across your skin without cutting your face, but finding the hairs. So I think that slickness is more important than cushion. So that's just my personal opinion on that. Well, no bleeders, no nothing. A really nice 2-pass shave. I hope you guys enjoyed the shave, and if you have any questions, of course, or comments, please leave them below. I will definitely answer any questions that you have. The Ragnarok from the SMG soaps is on pre-order right now. It'll be released on the 15th is when I'll be able to have that completed. So if you want to go on and pre-order your soap and aftershave, go do it now. It's going to be limited, so I'm not making a ton of it, just so you guys know. And it's www.smgsoaps.com. Just threw that out there so you guys know. And thank you for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. have an even better day and have an amazing shave. Take care, my friends.